Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to delete element from an linear array. Deleting an element from an array means removing a data element from an already existing array. We delete an element from a particular index of an array. This deletion operation takes place as we assign the value in the index to the current index. This is a complete algorithm to delete an element from an array. L is a linear array and n is the number of elements in this array. Number of elements in this array are 4 and k is the position from which the element has to be deleted. Value of k is 2. We have to delete element at index 2. And item is equal to 9. Element at index 2 is 9. First step of algorithm is set j is equal to k. J is a loop counter value. J is equal to 2. Then second step, repeat step 3 and 4 while j is less than equal to n minus 1. J is 2. 2 is less than equal to n minus 1. N is 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then move j plus 1 element upward. In deletion, we have to move element upwards. In insertion, move the element downwards. Set LA of j is equal to LA of j plus 1. LA of j is 2. LA of 2 is equal to LA of 2 plus 1, that is 3. LA of 2 is equal to 10. Element at third index is shifted to second index. Then step 4, j is equal to j plus 1, j is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Again repeat step 3 and 4 while this condition is evaluated to be true. While 3 is less than equal to 3, condition is evaluated to be true. Then move j plus 1 element upward. Set LA of 3 is equal to LA of 3 plus 1, 4. LA of 3 is equal to LA of 4. Element at 4 index is 11. Element at 4th index is shifted to 3rd index. Then j is equal to j plus 1. J become 4. 4 is less than equal to 3. Condition is evaluated to be false. Then control transfer to step 5. Set n is equal to n minus 1. Value of n is 4. 4 minus 1, 3. After deleting element from an array, number of elements in a resulting array are 3. Then 6th step, exit. This is a complete algorithm to delete an element from a linear array. Let's see the code to delete an element from an array. First of all, inside the main function, declare as well as initialize the linear array. Val is the name of the array. And 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, these are the elements of a linear array. And k is the position from which the element has to be deleted. and n is the total number of elements. I and j are loop counter variables. First of all, with for loop, display array elements as it is onto the screen. Then after that, set j is equal to k. Then put the while condition. If this condition is evaluated to be true, then move element upward. When this condition becomes false, then control transfer to the out of loop and decrease the number of element by 1. Before deletion, number of elements in array are 5. After deleting element from an array, number of elements become 4. Then finally display array elements after deletion with for loop. Let's see the output. The original array elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, and the array element after deletion are 1, 3, 7, 8. In next video, we'll learn searching operation of an linear array.